Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular power supplies for gaming PCs, the MSI MAG A850GL and the ARESGAME AGV650. We'll explore their specifications, efficiency ratings, and design features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your gaming rig. Let's dive in. The MSI MAG A850GL offers a robust 850W of power, making it ideal for high-performance gaming setups that require significant power from multiple components. In contrast, the ARESGAME AGV650 provides a solid 650W, which is sufficient for mid-range builds but may limit future upgrades. If you're planning to run high-end graphics cards or multiple GPUs, the MSI unit is the clear winner in terms of wattage. Efficiency is crucial for power supplies, and the MSI MAG A850GL shines with its 80+ Gold certification, ensuring high energy efficiency and lower electricity bills. On the other hand, the ARESGAME AGV650 is rated at 80+ Bronze, which, while decent, does not match the efficiency of the MSI unit. This difference can lead to significant savings over time, especially in demanding gaming scenarios. When it comes to design, the MSI MAG A850GL features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which greatly simplifies cable management and improves airflow within the case. In contrast, the ARESGAME AGV650 has a non-modular design, which can lead to excess cables cluttering your build. For those who prioritize aesthetics and organization, the MSI power supply is the better choice. In conclusion, the MSI MAG A850GL is an excellent choice for gamers seeking high wattage, efficiency, and modularity, making it suitable for future upgrades. Meanwhile, the ARESGAME AGV650 offers a more budget-friendly option for those with less demanding power needs. Ultimately, your choice should reflect your specific requirements and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.